Today in this video tutorial we will learn and see what are the difference between C Sharp and Java. C Sharp and Java are two different object-oriented languages. Both have some similarities and differences also. The C Sharp and Java derive from their own single ancestor class object. All classes in C Sharp are descended from system.object class, and in Java all classes are subclass of java.lang.object class. C Sharp tries to be modern, to shine with new features, to write ahead of time, to adopt cryptic syntax for things, while Java tries to be conservative, slowly adopting new things, stable, clear, plain, easily understandable by a beginner. Java is more like an open source language with tons and tons of open source libraries available. So let's see. There are some similarities and difference between C Sharp runtime environments and Java runtime environments. Both C Sharp and Java have their own runtime environments. C Sharp source codes are compiled to Microsoft Intermediate Language, and during the execution time runs it with the help of runtime environment, which is called Common Language Runtime (CLR). Java source codes are compiled to Java bytecode, and during the execution time runs it with the help of runtime environment, which is called Java Virtual Machine. Both C Sharp and Java supports native compilation via just-in-time compiler. Second thing is type-safe language. Java and C Sharp are designed to be type-safe. That is, an illegal casting will be caught at compile time if it can be shown that the cast is illegal, or an exception will be thrown at runtime if the object cannot be cast to the new type. Type safety is therefore more important because it not only forces a programmer to write more correct code but also helps a system become more secure from code hackers. Next thing between C Sharp and Java is garbage collection. In low level languages, memory management can be tedious work because you have to remember to properly delete new objects to free up resources. That not in the case of C Sharp and Java, where built-in garbage collection helps prevent memory leaks by removing objects that are no longer being used by the application. While there are some chances where memory leaks can still occur, for that purpose, the basic of memory management have already been taken care of for you. Next thing is generics. Generics improve compiler assisted checking of type largely by removing cast from source code. In Java, generic type parameters are erased and casts are added upon compilation into bytecode. While C Sharp takes generic even further by integrating it into the common language infrastructure CLI and allowing type information to be available at runtime, yielding a slight performance gain. Next thing between C Sharp and Java is pointers. In C Sharp allows the use of pointers, which some language designers consider to be unsafe, but certain language features try to ensure this functionality is not misused accidentally. While pointers are also greatly complicate technologies such as Java remote method invocation, where program object a resident on one computer can be referred within a program running on an entirely separate computer. Where some have speculated that the lack of memory pointers in Java was a nod towards the coming of grid computing, where a single application may be distributed across many physical pieces of hardware. Next and the last thing is methods. Methods in C Sharp are non-volatile by default. In Java, however, methods in C Sharp are not virtual by default. In Java, however, methods are virtual by default. Virtual methods guarantee that the most overridden method of an object will be called, which is determined by the runtime. You always have to keep that in mind when calling or writing any virtual method. If the method is declared as non-virtual, the method to invoke will be determined by the compiler. This is a major difference of philosophy between the designers of Java and .NET platform. Uh, Now that's the end of today's tutorial. Hope you have learned some differences and similarities between C Sharp and Java. Thanks.